Now, first of all, in our school, sport competition has been held. Now, the first winner of the sport competition. First name, Pratik Khandare from nursery standard, who is winning a running race. Pratik Khandare. Pratik Khandare, come here. Then Samruddhi Bavdhankar. Samruddhi Bavdhankar, LKG students, running race. Faltankar Soham. LKG running race, Faltankar Soham. Then Prem Dongre, UKG running race. Prem Dongre. Syed Arbina Akram, UKG running race. Next, Chirag Naresh Agrawal, first standard frog jump. Giri Shashwati, first standard frog jump. Next, Pandit Abhikrant, second standard, Langdi. Then Swarga Kute, second standard, Langdi. Shashikant Ankush Thamke, third standard, musical chair. Diksha Ghodge Shivnil, third standard, musical chair. Kurude Suraj Parasram, fourth standard, lemon spoon. Raivar Siddhi Santosh, lemon spoon, fourth standard. Hendre Sai Mahesh, fifth standard, marathon. Supriya Om Prakash Kale, fifth standard, skipping. Chitravar Sai Prasad, sixth standard, sack race. Chakravar Shravani, sixth standard, sack race. Shinde Saurabh, seventh standard, iron ball throw. Pandit Mayuri Rajkumar, seventh standard, iron ball throw. Shahid Beg Aslam, eighth standard, cycle race. Shitale Sakshi Suresh, eighth standard, cycle race. Patange Vishal Rajkumar, 9th standard, long jump. Agrawal Renuka Ghansham, 10th standard, gun shooting. Gadhav Shubham, 10th standard, gun shooting. our school also held a drawing competition. Drawing competition winner. Okay. May I request to parents of Renuka Agrawal, if anybody is there, so please take the prize of Renuka Agrawal and Shubham Dada also. How you? Okay, now the winner of our drawing competition. So first, nursery student Khandare Pratik. Khandare Pratik again, he get the prize in drawing competition. Pratik Khandare. विनय मॅडम घ्या त्याला पाठवा कोणी सेकंड LKG स्टूडेंट पलटनकर सोहम. Then Shruti Jagdale, UKG standard. Shruti Jagdale. Drawing competition winner students, come ahead. First standard Boyne Vedant. Boyne Vedant Bharat. Now in second standard, Pathan Tahlil Ayub Khan. Third standard, Nirmal Krishna Sunil. Fourth standard, Pandit Meghali Rajkumar. Fifth standard, Kurude Sunil Parasram. From sixth standard, Shitle Tushar Suresh. Seventh standard, Agrawal Sharad Ghansham. Students, clap for all these winners. All of you please give response for this little children who get prize and winner of the year. Now from A standard, Shitle Sakshi Suresh. A standard. From 9th standard, Pitti Varun Vijay. From 10th standard, Birla Sonakshi Sunil. So these are the winners of drawing competition. Now the fancy dress competition. In our school, as usual, all the competition are held, but in this year, a different competition has been held. Which one is the fancy dress competition, in which students are dramatized and dress up in various characters. So now the first nursery standard. Shivam Sable from nursery standard, which act as Tukaram Maharaj, Sant Tukaram Maharaj, and which is favorite and famous in that fancy dress competition. So please cheer up by clap your. Now from LKG standard, Sarif Khan Pathan, which is in the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Sarif Khan Pathan. Next from UKG standard, Bahiwal Shlok Praveen, which is a businessman. Agrawal Tanvi Nilesh from first standard, Pari. Deshmukh Shishir Praveen from second standard, Lord Krishna. And from now in third standard there is a tie. टाई किया था यहाँ पर, इसीलिए हमें एक साथ फर्स्ट प्राइज दोनों बच्चों को देना पड़ा, और वो है फर्स्ट चक्रवार अथर्व अभय, हु इज अ ट्री. चक्रवार अथर्व अभय. एंड द सेकंड वन इज वाकडे संस्कृति पंढरीनाथ, हु इज इन राधा, कैरेक्टर ऑफ राधा. Now again there is a tie in fourth standard, which is competition is so tough, so we have to decide to give the two prize for the first winner. Now the first one is Third Ajinkya Venkatrao, who is in Bhattaji role, who pray the Lord. Now in that class, second is Qureshi Affan Mohammad Zia, who is in character of Balveer. Now next, from fifth standard, Priya Vijay Verma, who is Marwadi lady. Priya Vijay Verma. And the next, in sixth standard, Chitravar Sai Prasad, who is in polythene bag man, who gave then from 7th standard, Kamle Faisal Mateen, who is a Arab person. Now from A standard, Shitale Sakshi Suresh. Again, give a big clap for her because she is the winner of all the 3 competition. She is in character of Lata Mangeshkar. Now next, from 9th standard, Pensionwar Govindraj Dhananjay, who is in character of Balasaheb Thackeray. So please give big a clap. Now from the 10th standard, Kale Gayatri Ramrao, who is in character of Jiza Mata.